Once we get there, once we get there.
You can't plant with a plastic tree. No, you can't.
You must remove.
You remove and you eat the soil around
Then
it.
this tree is too short. It's too short. So
Can I?
yeah, we need to fill it fast.
Oya, nisaidie nini kidogo? Yeah.
I think they are now. Yeah?
I'm planting now, boss. Napanda. I wait for you to see. Yeah. sorry. Nelly, posing.
Nice long roots. This is going to be a healthy one. Okay? This is going to be a very healthy one. Okay, help me put the mud back in. Very good. Yeah, get all of that out, Maddie. Ukipanda na tunapata kuja pia. Uko na nini?
Nimepanda mbili. Nishapanda 4 tangu asubuhi. Mimi
We need water for cleaning our hands. Bring us water.
Cheers, good.
niko sawa hapo.
How are you?
Today, we are at a place where we now have to step up, each one of us, take responsibility and do something. So today, as we plant trees, just to remind each one of us that we have the responsibility to plant trees in our homes, plant trees in our community, plant trees in our nation, and together, then we will reach the 50 billion that the government has a target. If we begin today with the journey that we have started and using the app that she has actually told us, then I believe in the next 1 year, all of us will be ambassadors. I know we have planted some in the past. I've done so many, but I'm committing today, I will begin my 300 trees. And if each one of us made that commitment, we will be there. And it's not very difficult. We will begin with, every time you're celebrating your birthday, we are reminded to do what? Plant the trees equivalent to your age. Instead of cutting that cake, plant a tree. So today, if you are 60, they will not be living in the next 1 hour because they have to do their 60, isn't it? So it's not very difficult. If we commit every time there is a celebration, whether it's a birthday or any celebration, we begin with, have I discharged my responsibility for the sake of this planet and the future generations? We need to think about tomorrow. What are we leaving behind for them?